Hi, welcome to How to Repair. I've got this old Servis washing machine I'm going to dismantle for parts, and the identification plate for this machine is inside the pump flap, and this is an M6856W, and I'm just going to salvage the motor off this and also a couple of other components before I scrap it. But one thing I wanted to show you was the door does not open because the handle is broken. Now I went online just to see if the parts were available, and I stumbled across some really great workshop manuals on this machine that are written not only in English but multiple languages as well, and it's when manufacturers used to produce really good information for engineers to work with to actually change things like this door handle, wiring diagrams, and all other types of information with regards to the machine. The values you should have on the ohms reading, on the NTC sensors, the element, the pump, etc, etc. And that'll be at the end of the video, and I'll just put it as a player so you can actually flick through and pause where you need to. But this will not open the door. And what I use to get these open is a hook screwdriver. This is a screwdriver just with a point, but it's curved on the side, and what you need to do is go down through the side, and then once you've got it underneath the door handle, just turn it 45 degrees and then the door will open. It's a quick and easy way for you to actually get into the door. I'll try and zoom in with the camera now to show you how it actually works. Now, as you can see, the door handle's broken there, so what you do with the hook, go underneath it and then just turn it 45 degrees and the door will open. Nice, easy and simple. Okay, there's two workshop manuals with this Servis M6856W. The one is about the components and the other one is a more technical one with regards test procedures, wiring diagrams and so on. But I just wanted to share this with you just to show you what I think manufacturers should be producing. This workshop manual not only shows you how the door comes apart, it shows you the individual pieces on the door catch assembly, the pecker, the pin, the spring, and also the actual door handle itself, which is broken about there. It explains how the whole door assembly is put together. It shows you absolutely everything, and it's so well written. This is the basic component manual, and I'll just finish scrolling through this, and the other manual is much more detailed. This is the diagnostic manual, test procedure, and also wiring diagram, showing you the color configuration of the wires, where they're connected to on the circuit board. Everything you need to know is in these manuals. Look at the information that it's giving you on the door safety catch or door interlock. You know, every component is broken down, great information, makes it easy to repair machines. The motor, the pin configuration, you have to excuse the noise in the background, I've got a washing machine on test. And as we go through this manual, the test procedure, diagnostic mode, every bit of information's here. Anyway, I will put a link in the description on this video to the two workshop manuals and any parts that I salvage off this machine, like the motor, the circuit board, and a few other components which are still good on the machine. Thanks very much indeed for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.